Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Lautie Muyi collaboration. This is a chess piece, that's the Rook, and we're gonna check out the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this? That's a pretty cool packaging. Lautie is having their pieces shipped, nice and spongy on the inside, and you also will find this check out my EDC envelope, which is gonna hold a bunch of stickers right here, as well as extra spare bearings. The Muyi, that's a tag, but also it's a key. We're gonna see in a second how it works, and also like the also Lautie hammer here. These are titanium, I believe, and we're gonna check them out in a second because here we have our beautiful Rook. This is one of my favorite pieces from Lautie. Is because of the look is amazing. I mean, so far I've gotten the pawn as well, and that's the Rook, and I'm missing the bishop, but it's on its way, so yeah, it's gonna be here. You can also find these in different materials. You can see that, for example, this is steel and this is brass, but this is copper nickel and that's copper. So you can have two variants for each piece. So you have, this is gonna be the copper nickel, the main color, and copper, and you can also have the copper and copper nickel. So you can basically get two. You can mix and match and create the white pieces or the black pieces by just swapping the parts with the different color. So you're gonna end up with, you can do stainless steel, for example, and copper nickel, or you can do brass and copper. So they're gonna be a little bit different, but also you can mix and match in that sense as well. And so far, only these three pieces are available. Maybe some will come out in the future. I don't know. But these are really fantastic pieces. Machining is off the charts. Like, I mean, this guy, you can just hold it here and have it spin like 4 minutes. You just leave it on the desk and it's gonna keep you company by just spinning. Or so you can also spin the bottom. So there's two parts spinning, and I mean, if you place it on a desktop, on a desk, that's the sound it's gonna make. So very unobtrusive. The top part is louder, so it's gonna be distracting. But the bottom part, guys, this is the definition of smooth and almost silent. So I mean, we said like the look aspect on this piece is just gorgeous. It's fantastic, machined like crazy, beautiful, genius. I love this piece. From the sound perspective, like if you just hold it, that's not too bad. But this, the bottom part, guys, this is almost inaudible. The bearings they used are top quality, almost silent. Really, really cool. Of course, you can have like these two spinning at the same time, like that. Or you can just hold one side and have it spinned from the top. I mean, you can play it in different ways, but like this one, and just leave it on the desk as you type or do something else is just what I really, really love. It just helps me, like, just give it a spin, you leave it there, you do your thing, and when it's over, you give it another spin, and that's it. So really, really cool. And it feels good in the hand too, because the weight on this guy that's not like super light. It's not super heavy as well, but let's just check. This guy is gonna be weighing in at 2.53 ounces, so not too shabby. There's some heft to it. Also, what I want to show you guys is how disassemblable is this guy over here. So this guy is coming out like so. So you have your bearing, which is secured with a screw, where you can see there's two notches. You're gonna use this tool here just to take the bearing apart if you need to replace it. Right here you have the weight, which is gonna be keeping the top part together, you can actually take down the stem, and you have the base and you have the other weight. In the other weight, in the bottom weight, sorry, you're gonna see cupro, nickel, copper, and you're gonna see maybe like here cupro, nickel, copper, and 10 out of 99, which means that this is a numbered edition, and you can also double check the number on the back of the box and on the inside of the piece with the composition as well. So there's 99 pieces made of this cupro, nickel, copper. This is the Rook. So you can understand that these are quite rare pieces, and once they're done, they are done. So you're not going to be able to find these guys in the wild anymore because they are limited run. So I feel really blessed to have these two guys in. Looking forward to the third piece of this set. And just to give you an idea of the size, like compared to some other popular fidget toys, here we have AC/DC gamer click slider. This is the Muyi also spinner, that's the capsule. Another pretty popular option you guys have to fidget is the Mahjong right there, and this is Amburi, that's the haptic coin. It's the mid-size. If you want to know how the full size looks, here you have it. And let me show you just another couple popular options. Here you have your EDC bulletproof shield, and because we're talking about Lautie, here you have your Lautie shuffle, and also I want to show you another piece from Lautie. That's the Sam. It's another pretty cool spinner, and yeah, I mean, look at this Maki coin, just because we have it in the house, and why not? Because this is a Muyi after all. This is also Muyi. It's the guy one, and you can have an idea of the size of these guys. So, I mean, really, really cool piece indeed. Looks phenomenal. It sounds, this is, I wouldn't say loud, but louder than the beautiful, almost silent noise that the bass is doing. And it feels great in the hand. Like to fidget with this like that, it's just pleasant. And like that too. It's really good. So for me, it's a check, 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 triple check, look, sound, and feel. Nailed it. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.